I always tried to find a place for myself in Miami, and I never found the perfect apartment. So I guess that the way I came into designing and being inspired for Five Park is to design my ideal place. You are at the foot of the bridge connecting it to Miami. Almost every apartment has 270-degree views. It is really a lifestyle. It's not just an apartment.
We attempt to bring positive change in every project that we do, and certainly Five Park is no exception.
This project brings a model for resiliency, for sustainability, for green space, and for architecture and design that I think our community is really going to enjoy.
The tower is here, and they're looking at the view of the skyline of Miami and the cruise ships. And when you look in the other direction, you see the park and the ocean.
That's the beauty of the building too. The curves really add to this open feeling. Lets your eye travel.
What bridges do is they connect communities.
The bridge serves as a landmark to the entrance to Miami Beach,
Connecting two sides of the city.
For us, design should be something that elicits an emotion.
Our main focus for the residents is this airy, warm feeling.
It's like a perfect canvas for anybody to put their stamp on.
They are enjoying a tango, a beautiful midnight tango.
Five Park is the perfect identity for what the future of Miami Beach holds.
Miami's become so cosmopolitan. It's really one of the capitals of the world.
The spirit of Miami Beach is incredibly wonderful.
It's something about the quality of life there.
I think the park is something very unusual for any high-rise in Miami Beach.
The way they're landscaping it has so much movement built into it. You get the sense of how life flows there.
It's a very sought-after thing to have a park at your front door.
One of the big amenities for Five Park is the Five Park Beach Club. It's one of those opportunities for us to be able to cater to high-end clientele.
We will know their name. They want a pina colada or a margarita, we will know.
That's what I really need, is a margarita.
Over 40,000 square feet of different program, terrace level pools, gardens, dining opportunities.
A yachting component, a wellness component, a sports and active component.
I think this is a once-in-a-generational project.
Miami Beach has a very active community and wants to preserve its history, but at the same time transform into a city of the future. And I think Five Park really does that.
It's my agent, sorry.
All right, cool, done.